Welcome back to Brain Quizmaster. Guess the Italian brainrot memes by Emoji. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and like video.
Guess this.
Tralalero, tralala, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Can you guess this?
Ballerina cappuccina. Mi 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 mi.
What do you think this is?
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante che vola.
Guess this.
Capu cappuccino assassino.
Can you guess this?
Boneca ambalabu.
What do you think this is?
Scimpanzini bananini. Wah wah wah.
Guess this.
Matteo!
Can you guess this?
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim.
What do you think this is?
Udin din 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 dun, ma din 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 dun.
Guess this.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita.
Can you guess this?
Frigo camelo buffo fardello nel centro della città.
What do you think this is?
Špioniro golubiro. Jebeni golub kojeg šalje vlada u javnost.
Guess this.
Lirili larila. Elefante nel deserto che cammina qua e là.
Can you guess this?
Bombini gusini. Fratello bombardiro crocodilo.
What do you think this is?
Bobrito bondito? El bobrito gangsterito.
Guess this.
Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterella.
Can you guess this?
Bri, bicus, dicus, de bicus, de dicu.
What do you think this is?
Garam mararam raraman mararaman dan madu dung 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 tak tuntung perkuntung.
Guess this.
Cavallo virtuoso, uno show strepitoso.
Can you guess this?
Giraffa celeste, viaggio agreste.
What do you think this is?
Ananitta dolfinita frulli.
Guess this.
Orangutini ananasini, puppa bada bim.
Can you guess this?
Rino tosterrino, wah pam pam, el torterelli rinelli. Which one was Tralalero Tralala? This was the sixth. Which one was Boneca Ambalabu? This was the second one. Which one was Bombardino Crocodilo? This was the first. Which one was Chimpanzini Bananini? This was the fourth. Which one was Ballerina Cappuccina and Cappuccino Assassino? Ballerina Cappuccina was the fifth, and Cappuccino Assassino was the third. Which one was Matteo? This was the fourth. Which one was Udin Din Din Dun? This was the second one. Which one was La Vaca Saturno Saturnita? This was the third. Which one was Frigo Camelo? This was the first. Which one was Lirali Larila and Spionero Golubiro? Lirali Larila was the fifth and Bombardini Gusini was the sixth. Which one was Bicus Dedicus? This was the third. Which one was Bobrito Gangsterito? This was the fifth. Which one was Garamararaman? This was the fourth. Which one was Echo Cavallo Virtuoso? This was the first. Which one was Trippy Troppy and Giraffa Celesti? Trippy Troppy was the second and Giraffa Celesti was the sixth. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, like the video, and comment how many you guessed right.